Okay, well, I finally did it. I've been talking about getting a Nissan Leaf for about, I don't know, a year now, and I picked one up. This is a 2013. It is the base model, the S. Love this car so far. I just love how quiet it is to drive in the city, and probably one of my favorite things is the regenerative braking. So when you're coming up to a stoplight or just coasting down a hill, energy is going back into the battery pack. This car came with some snow tires mounted on the steel 16-inch wheel. I did quite a bit of research on different wheels for this car. You know, obviously you want to keep the wheels light because it is electric, and every watt matters, every kilowatt hour matters. So I've picked up some wheels. I might have gone too big. I got some 18-inch wheels, but they are light. They're Rays for the Mazda Speed 3, and I think they came on the Mazda Speed 6 as well. So I'm going to test fit those today. So these are the wheels. You can see they have the Mazda Speed centerpiece, center cap, and Mazda Speed in the wheel there. They are Rays Engineering forged aluminum wheels. These are 18 by 7.5-inch wheels. So the tires that came with them are BF Goodrich G-Force Sports. And you can see the tire size is a 225 45/18. You know, there's probably 30% or 40% left on these tires. This is the only wheel with curb rash, and it goes about a third of the way around one wheel. You know, I've done a lot of research online. I've seen people put 225 40 18s on this car. I'm not sure if the 45s will fit in the front. Obviously, with this thing not lowered, it's on stock suspension, it's going to look a little goofy. So we'll see. We'll just see if they fit. I know that the weights are about the same because the wheels are much lighter, but the tires are heavier. So I think that this 18-inch set weighs about the same as the steel 16-inch set. Got the old bathroom scale here behind the WRX, and I'm going to put the Mazda Speed wheel on and see what we get. £39. 38 or 39 pounds. Okay, I got the car jacked up here. I'm gonna put on the first wheel and see how it fits. Yeah, it's a little close there. Sounds like it's even rubbing just a tiny amount. That's hitting. So these would need spacers, wheel spacers to work. I believe this is a 52mm offset. We gotta weigh this snow tire. This is like 40 to 41 pounds. So a pound or two heavier. Will it rub? Not even close. I don't think. Let's try the other way. Not even close. The Leaf has massive wheel wells. Damn, the 18 looks sick. It looks really good on this car, actually. We'll need a drop to look right, that's for sure.